enye nyame nhyira oni hia nyame ahyira ye dada nyame nhyira ne nye sika isi ye twa nyame nhyira ne mu ene obo adwuma no obo adwuma dada enya afa na beka kire no wasomwa 5 years nie into mo amowo Eugene say tutu number mo frɛ a nya afa na nyame nhyira opi nyame nhyira no so e crash ni enche na obeware umfa sika nka ho nyame nhyira ndi wahyira yen happy birthday
nana mda saware no so bi woni nua babe na kwanda no ho
ono so betimi dia ba ono so megitum ye beye sample wa ha
nana ni nyina wo so engineer no concept na akire bia ni ti tum trim se mini obi a no
yeah no one dey me foaso
masa
onu obi a ye
obi na kan memre na wo so me time na aba mesrew
nana mumbra na enye sampling techniques
I think on the birthday the nyame aso in beginning of the year nyame nko a homachi na me have pictures no nkanya nke bia nka ba na nke bia nka mo bolumba makra mo bi but we thank God for life nana you see on President Mahama tetem ye kan na bi mu ntias ba na be kasa journalist o ye journalist a wo de ne se bibia be kan bia man for prezi anye serious aduma we nyo de koton ice cream because nana o ton ice cream kra da wo de vanilla be kono mo bi say another no fa strawberry ama o de strawberry ko ka vanilla yes you can never please anybody but nana unim I always say we shouldn't miss an opportunity to miss an opportunity. And I didn't make us.
Yeah.
Guinea Bissau says, Yama and Raku, and I cook will be a me, and I immoral, na democrat, who need to president credit. Nana one year Kosu, and the political class, of fun a Canada passport to na Auchi.
Aboko.
Can offer this week, Manase be born a visa, so Zanate. Canada be 2030 something. UK be 2030 this.
What UK say?
Atebu lorry fair kura woni bia di free ba bia kwate bubu. Oh yeah tetem. Na jibum. Na now say I can see then they make it as if say wa wo kan we jimifuo bi woni nia wo keka. Yeah, ajibuma. Lorry fair wodi free sunya ba kuma se kura woni bi. Na anya say bi before better than Mahama anya te. Akufo de tetem kan Mahama be di president. The president himself has gone to the UN and said, "Mem so sa de we so."
Tetem bi anim.
Nana country Burkina Faso there was a mutiny. Nyame nko anse ku anse Burkina Faso last time and for within Burkina Faso. Cote d'Ivoire. Yeah. Nana Burkina half of this week my dear from Ghana Immigration Service. Your friend may be polymacrum. Your immigration officer sem koko.
People don't know. People are not reading.
How people are infiltrating our borders. The only thing Ghana has is our peace. Nana Nigeria ji bumi. Nansi aya star ba omoge ya ne skating get obeto tide. What just more ka Ghana? Na tisi rap ba just more ka Ghana. Ghana is the gateway. Ama mu mfa mo bayiye ne mo ne ma medini bitizir bibi anto manfo ntrim. De bentem. Ekuyi onfem ko wie sa papa de bia me ka kirewo. Sa from fullness nya bay from meya na do akose yim. They will ruin your legacy. Fari bent no bi bagina wade ento bewo nana kwetena fina ko he oba uyo 4 years a papa ko he oba kwetena wafu obi ni fa se na wa kan wanya pito kakra ne madam labuna sana na mnitiri ho na de ada.
My point is that why is this a sad discussion kietwem?
Nana, you see
people every week.
Nana, the step I'm coming to is that the party must call their members to order.
Okay.
Nana, Nigeria, now saying Musemude Wesley girls, I couldn't comment on it. Nana, yesterday Ghana, you were under Tonsibi. Did you read the statement from the Catholic Bishop Conference? Let me link it. Nana, kind of second and third paragraph of my phone, yes, we will statement now. The Catholic Bishop Conference said that we bought the land, we built the school. We use the school near Christian mission. I'll buy. Nana, uni you the one when you see me. Have you ever seen the Christian Council and Catholic Bishop Conference release a strong weather statement before? They are undertones in the country, so stop these things. And now, I don't care about how you characterize me. It is senseless for anybody to say that. I could for the quartet, President Mahama president. What is this? What is this? The man among years had the man has said countless times on why are you trying to send an account engineer certain concepts? And an media will be about Kojis Kabetu's answer for you call you out. And this year, Benania and Raname Becca. Nana monetary policy. Bank interest rate abedu 18%. Enya de papa.
Very good. Many craji and kai wasa meka ho asem.
Oh, ana tetem. Even with the NDC, there are people who not support such nonsense. And the Johnson said, "Dunkatia and Fifi Kwete must issue a public statement calling people to order." Ghana is a democratic state, and NDC state. Some people buy them somebody tetema. Eka Joma Mahama may president.
Imagine President Joma Nana Akufo-Addo is still the president because now 5 years in Yajiatu.
Yajiatu. And Nana Ade Usi Nana the issue is a cyber security law. Oh yeah, you say Fagana card and Kwanko social media. Oh near you.
On Kenkai.
My clear example. Just in Kodia from Pong. July 2025, yeah, June 2025. So I think 17 and 27 June. Advancements and then Kaso Busano. With all that is happening, will you support the removal of the EC? I say I can't defend the EC chair. 17 June 2025. 1 year ago, no more defend it. 2020, no more defend it. That is what I always say. When we are calling for state institutions to work, put your dirty political lenses aside and champion for strong institutions. Because I want to know that. So when end this one send for my see a DBA bongo ideas. Your DBA fix the country for no. Now more complaining. And then the same people are celebrating it. The same people are celebrating it. They forget say NDC in trouble. Nana Rollins with the greatest of respect. Nana if we job beda bokasa. Wow. Idi amiya. You can do your third term, but Ghana will remain. The party or whatever will come to a point where they relinquish power. And I feel passionate about it because I'm so amazed when I see young men and say you're championing for Juba and will come to big test or 20 Ghana cities. Who did 20 cities at NBC? We should champion for some baby poultry farmer or could be able to kakwadwe dan to abaye ke de time u chechirem se na babo bechemfo brekumfo wamfiefo se na mu betimi de kwase asem kwa asebe se tetem kofo ye tetem aka mo bai ekufo de tetem aka mo bai. Let's tell people the truth in this country. The president needs peace to govern. Nana obaye more interest rate na 27%. And Bank of Ghana we meeting about 18%.
People don't understand the implication. We are very positive for Nhyira John Mahama.
Can say it drives investors away.
John Mahama per se Oma Okoje Bank Bosia a work from which is one of the best news at John Mahama by Timia.
And I'm got TV so na tetem say Nana sa kasa no. Nana okay President Mahama 60 can pay the speech you know. Then okay, speculations have certain bearing on the fruit of the economy. Because maybe invest and I'm the bar or Setana in Nigeria, they be on account. You're careful. Ghana, we can degenerate. So let's be careful and tone down some of these commentaries. Give the president peace to operate.
2026 mu. Akufo-Addo shall say you. 2017 na ye Akufo-Addo asempa budget. Wa na aba you can say 2018
and then this your budget on friend we can do nana already about me phone yan come here but nana o map Africa African countries practice proper democracy of the 56 countries nana menya shows you benya 20 menya shows you benya 20 nana ya wade bia obi ni bi let's jealously guard it. Let's put partisan influences aside and jealously guard near your work because nana there's a dia which is it here also day concept of engineering nana engineering of consent
consent
nana uni nenti a MP before come YouTube channel critical on attack me no they know that if I praise John Mahama someone will see and understand the issues more and now my clear example nana bet come channel Afanyama can correspond to get to talk on any sister. And a video no almost 12,000 views. We be breaking lithium down. Why the door is bad for NDC? Video no 3,000 views. You see?
And you're here.
And you're here. Banana yama bunu so one you see the hajenko. And what you have for how the deal benefit them? Na no conversation yempeno and into politicians no ye mule politics man ya dwen wo fom yempeno kre Yeah, too easily pleased.
Yeah.
And Nana, me say, Johnson is saying that public will be public admiration and respect for him. He should issue a statement and cause people to stop this nonsense and get the president to focus. Because Nana, Nancy and Unia Macho Pempe interview PM, no can be. Yeah. Already budget in the 6/10. You know, say, Evans, if this budget works, it works for everybody in Ghana. Nana, and no kwaji interest rate. Ya beka tro say, oye chini. Nana, oye santimi ya chimney. Yeah. Ya kwa beka sa chim for interest rate in kuna santi for. Debi. Nana, inflation abe, me start spray. Me akwa pan minika, mi hu baby we de line to Nana starch na 45. And about 38. Ya beka sa chim for the enko asante for the enko. That is what we must champion. Not 10 terms. Because Ghana is a democracy. The constitution is clear. 8 years. Where we President Mahama, let's not bring in any confusion or anything. 2028, NDC will present a new person. NPP will maintain by me or present a new person. We go into a nation. That is it. And let me leave this message, President Mahama. I've said it publicly. I'm attacked only time I say it. Papa, attack queers. Nana, if I'm one YouTube channel and come I know most attacks, no. I don't need DDD. Nana, you see, I always say this. Let posterity judge you. First term, no all metrics in the Fourth Republic. You had one of the shaky first terms. You had one of the shaky first terms. But now we see this your second term. Randomly pick any Ghanaian, even in Ashanti. That's what be a phone line. Oh yeah. They have a certain resounding confidence in you. Yeah. And it's not just MDs. MDs for vote, yes. It is the greater share of the Ghanaian people. Yeah. And Ghanaian youth publicly, a young friend, a paraphernalia, right? Yeah. Is that the English? Aye. NDC teacher TikTok here videos here and there. It is not normal. As I said, it's because of what they saw the NDC do in 2024. There's a certain confidence in you. Am I sense from? Don't throw parts among far. The examples. You were a shining star in Africa. Yeah. Yes, Africa. You can't lead us some moral compass. Africa, Ghana, and you are president. Let that legacy guide you. And let it guide you. Now, one who support to sign maybe say, not a crime dance you, Ubedu Kumasi Airport. Yeah, Buokum. Lot of fair crowd will be nobody at them. Don't support such nonsense. Rather, use your time and data to support a Juma. Nina be here. Name you from say, Bamiaba, children's back, but enter to the Kotobo. May Kotobo say, me now. It's because I have something to do. Yeah. I have a purpose. Yeah. So, President, and so. No, but why is he still silent? You see, it's not just. He's not silent. To be fair to him, he's not silent. No, you see, Oye Penny. Yeah. What can be? To say, yeah. Jimmy Aglani, general manager. Yeah. Okase, show no munjai. Yeah. Yejai. Okase, we may yankan wansema. Yeah. Yanka. Yeah. Say Jimmy Aglo, general manager, catch say, we miss him amonka. Yeah. Na me se mate na ochina meka ochina chi meka two things it's either say Jimmy Agla support to say yenka and now say ye mu Jimmy Agla. Yes. So if president what can the platform be so open but subsequently no every week unyan krofo oh, two things. We understand politics. Yeah. It could be very possible, say you president, you want to engineer that consent through other people, or the party no emu structures. Nana, this is it. I was disappointed to be a Shamima Muslim, Rex Soma, Kodjo Duasai, former MP for Adenta, who is closer to the president. Nana, Matthias here. I was very disappointed. Uncle for 3 years. Banana, Uku Yuena. When President Mahama did this, so when you go to my channel, the critical I can go post popular, that video is there. He explicitly stated, say he won't do any term agenda. There's a speech also he did in Ghana, he said it. So Nana, to be fair to him, he said it. But my disappointment is that somebody like Shamima, a deputy to Felix Kwachu Fosu, you must know better. Resuma. Nana, you know why? As a president, Nana, Mama example, Geya Ansan Sasali said, "They ain't called the Ebechana for me." Yeah. President cannot vet everybody's CV. Yeah. There's somebody who's supposed to do that. Yeah. That is where the chief of staff comes. That is what I'm talking about, the NDC party. the chief of staff is supposed to be the ears of the president. When who says Samima on the Facebook page, Rex Suma have done it. These are appointees, so he must rig them in. The president, he himself has said it. So they must rig them in together with the party.
But there had been situations, if you monitor African leaders, any the way I almost see a new manner. Possibly, to say Tanzania, dear, no. And Jeff, I've shared that one. Let's do that and then end with that. Tanzania, on se mameno, onimse or dam ye kunipa. But oba ya yetu abama ni we no. The obeka any say, oh me ye bad time. Enti mwa ya chimu nyina no munja umo. Into to the world no, omu painti picture say, oh me ye bad time ni chiche nkrofo kwa meja umo. Not knowing say, CNN reporter Larry. Or this have findings by who say behind the scenes, say you kunkrofo crazy krofo ni enim.
Nana, you see, Nana, I agree with you. I agree with your fears, but I see
African leaders. Yes. The Omoye Mahama, share Nanseya, the Omoye IGP.
Yeah.
What do you say? Yeah. And you were not expecting Senka in the era of research, no. Yeah. You would do certain things, but Mahama, and so why stand it?
Especially when the data doesn't even support that the man is working.
It's working. Why? Yeah. So there could be subsequent issues. Yeah. Mahama now okaso menye no. You can find people who can go there and say, Madam Fujadi Wokano.
Banana unim.
In Africa, everything is possible.
Then everything is possible.
I don't trust African leaders.
Banana, you see, when you are analyzing African election, the personality is key.
Get me the other footage.
The personality of a Sedun Ketia, he won't support such nonsense. Nana, President Mahama phase 2, no. The reason why me use is anytime I analyze, I say I have a certain confidence in him as his disposition. Now as a President Mahama bar first step, nana boys kakra. Yeah. But I say what the near maybe a way ya. Nancy titles globe pay no money ka Boris B. Nana obi any boys the MPP financier. But nana look at the camaraderie. Or buy or no. Oh, Nana, sad no. So me, I have confidence in him or no support it. But Nana, as for extremists, video me posty.
No, I don't care. You don't care about them.
So Nana make us say the extremists they will always be there. But the man leading the charge, and I have a certain me personally, I don't know for that, but I have a certain.
But that will not make you a leader. You see, you can have a certain trust.
Yes.
Where I said doing Ketia, one of the things are one NDC aya kono and 50 of you quote say once they speak Kane, you cannot alter anything because that is leadership. I'm expecting say
they should speak
once President Wabekanwe and subsequently every week on Crop for Gusoka time for you. Archbishop Krankan, but me who say omude ne ba be say ebi kra ne o ma ko tu sofu bi say ye ko huhu no. Third term is one why when you do these things. I think say eno na osa beka say once of massacre but I'm retreating because kakra minim wo African leaders in say easily very possible so be kra na ye Mahama na na man krofo ye.
It's a fallacy issue statement.
It's very possible. So, na John Mahama na nkasa catch and for se maka, but much say yes, anyo mana. Obekaya emrebi. Na Ned Kufuado yebusane LGBT issue. Yeah. Or can say, oh, say the nyam maye. Yeah. Na ebeduru baby na nkofo bi hye ase sorry keka boma.
Yes, on I think Al Jazeera interview.
E likely say ebia. Yeah. On say ofri wa waka no you saw the discussion. Yeah. You realize now professors Senenkofo started engineering consent. Yeah. It once and say LGBT discussion emunye do to surface no.
Yeah, they've diluted it.
On say now can LGBT almost women rights and we don't know it is dangerous. Yeah. I am saying if President John Mahama wa ba be ka baako na no me kan Felix Kaye but edaso toaso including your deputy repeating same it means that you are aware and you are keeping quiet you are just I had to say Gabi Ochirida Kodie no yemfantum ni enhwe mood no yemfantum ni enhwe mood no se duru ba bi na eye normal a afie be duru ba bi no ene mon trigger parliament mon trigger na munye ni say it is dangerous.
Yeah, I agree. I think that they need to be an official statement of banana and we should learn from the example of Guinea-Bissau.
All right, me that's it. But say na ye kwen na me be lines na ni